Hello everyone, I am a personal trainer here at the Pullup Wellness Center, and today I will be showcasing how to use the assisted pull-up machine. Now this acts as a dip machine as well, but today we'll be just showcasing the pull-up aspect of it. First, you're going to decide your weight, and the way that the pull-up machine works is it's an inverse weight counter. So what does that mean? The lighter you go, the harder it'll be, and the heavier you go, the easier it'll be. So you could take your body weight and sort of add poundage to it to help you get up to the pull-up machine. So for example, I weigh 180 pounds, so I'll add about 50 pounds to make myself weigh 130 pounds, so I'm only lifting 130 pounds. And to set up, we'll go right here on the steps, hands nice and even. If you want to target more of your lats, you could go on a wider grip, but if you want to target more of your biceps and middle back, you could go a little bit closer. But I prefer the nice and far out right here. You'll start by putting one knee on, the other knee, and you'll go nice and slow to this bottom position right here. And what we want to do here is we want to stretch our lats right there. So I'll hold that position for a second, bring myself up, and slow my way back down. Nice and stretched, back up, and a slowing back down. And to exit the machine, all you have to do is dip your leg and just be cautious that the weight is still all the way up here. So you want to bring the pad back nice and slow. And I'll catch it with my hands and bring it back. And that's about it for the assisted pull-up machine. This can help you develop a more wider back, and it'll elevate your ability to actually do pull-ups. So if you can't do bodyweight pull-ups, this is a great variation to work up to that. And if you have any questions, personal training is here to help. Thank you and happy lifting. I'll see you next time.